Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hello Black Rose Collective and Neonorma, thank you for the lurks, and hello Beastie, thank you for the raid, welcome. How are you all doing? Hope you're having a good time, yeah. Oh, hello Amy, good to see you. Lots of folks in here tonight, very nice. It is the first time I've been back on Adderall in a good while. Oh, this is nice. I've got energy. This is awesome. Okay. Hello, hi Liam. Good to see you too. Yep. Hello Ripofallum. Welcome to the stream. Hi Pira. God, Adderall is good. Yeah. Oh, it is so nice to be medicated again. It is just a huge help. I'm going to be working on Minecraft modding tonight. I've got a bunch of different projects to work on. I've got a flow case, I've got a couple other to tinker with. I can always work on like Mycoturgy or such. Yeah, on my model kit when. Oh, that would be so good, Liam. But yeah. Or figure, yeah. That would be wonderful. I would love that, but oh god, that's going to be even more expensive than like a plushie or stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna start out tonight, working on, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna, oh, wait. Cool, I've just gotten a message about an RFC I sent in today. Hi, hello, Maddie Games. Job. It just popped into my head because your shoulder arm joints look like model kit joints. That is absolutely intentional. Yeah, no, Liam, that is absolutely intentional. Is fucking Google down? Oh my god, Google's down. Not for me, huh? I'm getting 503s, weirdly. Yeah, yeah, it's probably regional. Yeah. Liam, I'm gonna send you just a couple pictures real quick. It seems to trend got when I reloaded. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just quickly sending a couple pictures to Liam of one of the style inspirations for Lemma, but yeah, glow case tonight. I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna work on some other projects. Glow case is a really important mod to have around for ModFest, and, well, we've got ModFest going on next week, which is cool. Yeah, let me put up iTunes first so I've actually got that, message. ModFest hype, yeah, I am so excited for ModFest, y'all, like, I've like, we've been thinking about, like, interesting little, like, gimmick fests for a while, and the concept of a gimmick fest where you get to do one feature and one feature only is gonna be really cool. I'm excited for it. Like, because, like, I've talked about this a few times, but, like, some of the coolest Modfest mods we've gotten have been, like, little, like, single feature things, like Chunk in a Globe, or Capsulog Silodex from 115, or, like, Unfortunately or such. Those are really cool. Like, we had Cargo Rockets by Pyrrha in 116, which was very cool. Glow Case is not quite one feature. It's got, like, a few different things, but it's still very nice. Like, 117, we've got, like, a fucking treasure trove of, like, one feature mods. Like, we've got Automobility, we've got, like, Bing Bing Wahoo, we've got Better Scaffolding, like, Cable mods, Directional TNT, fucking Dokodor, like Lovely Snails, like, Celine, like, Faunos back from Fall Fest, like, Workings, Walkways, so many amazing single feature mods. Just little mods that do one thing and they do it really, really well. And that's what this fest is all about. But yeah, someone made Silodex? Wop wop! Hello, Senpai, good to see you. Capsulog Silodex is, I'm just gonna link it in here. Is one of the best mods. It's horrible and awful and, completely unplayable. But, oh my god, I love it! Oh, I love it so much. Oh, there's, like, Imabis's, like, showcase video for it. Oh, it is one of the most horrible things anyone has ever made. It makes Minecraft's inventory even more unplayable than it is right now. And oh my god, I love it so much. Oh, it's so horribly cool! Ooh, ref sheet update. Ooh, BC, yeah, DM that to me, yeah. I've got so many ideas for this fest, just gotta decide which one I actually want to do and can actually finish in a week, yeah. Yeah, it is, like, Capsulog Silodex is, just so cursed, and, yeah, it's just objectively not fun to play with, but the fact that someone could even make it in the first place is deserving of a fucking prize. Horribly cool, yeah. Yeah. I love mods like that. Like, I don't care if they're, like, practical or feasible. I love just the weird stuff you can do playing with the engine. It is just the coolest thing. It is just so cool. I've got a message from BC, which I'm gonna check real quick. Oh, super cute, super adorable, very good. Yeah, I've been on this screen for a while, so how about we actually get to, like, making mods? Let's go! Alright, first off, I should actually make sure I go to Glow Case, I make a new branch, 1.19, based off the 118 version. Go. Okay. So that's just done in the background. Now I go over to Gradle Properties. 19 to... Oh, we're still on Fabric. Fabric and net versions. Oh. Alright, there it is. Alright, we're on build 1. Loader version is up to 14.9. Yep. Don't really care about mod version. 059 0 59 119 2 go. To really capture the mood of my outfit, requested a couple edits. Boo was going to be a bit bigger, more prominent, gonna wear a crop top. Nice, nice. Just had a good idea for a mod. I was trying to move away from Java for a bit. Yeah. Yeah. That is the problem with Minecraft modding. It's Java. I mean, like, you could do Kotlin, but...
Lemme BWAP, lemme BW, lemme op, lemme BWAP.
Don, thank you for subscribing at tier 1 for 18 months. What? Wait, didn't you just do your 17... Didn't you just do your 17-month sub announcement thing yesterday? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you for continuing to stay in the overgrowth, Non. Alright, so this is just, running in the background. Alright, come on, Loom. What's the Loom version right now? Oh, I'm on outdated. 12. I'm just gonna tell you to stop and rerun you with new Loom. Hopefully that'll make things a bit nicer. Okay. Yeah, Twitch can be weird like that sometimes, yeah. And... Alright, yeah, see, the issue I have is that even my non-Java projects involve reading decomp Minecraft. Oh no! Why? Maddie, what do you do? But yeah, no, I super get that. Minecraft is just so... It's one of the most moddable games purely by virtue of being in Java. Yeah, it's my fault. Been kind of in a lurking state lately with most of my regular streams. Haven't been streaming subs. Yeah, that's all good and on. But yeah, it is very nice to have you here. Remapping 41 fucking mods. Mapping sources. Okay, yep. Figure launch. What you making? I am. Yeah, hello, lovely mimic. Good to see you. Yeah, trying to re-implement Minecraft World Gen in Rust. Fabric API moment. Yeah, I am currently working on updating a mod that we use for ModFest to the newest version. Alright, alright, actionable task. I've executed, build successful, and once we are done, made from repo data, scanning, index, please index faster, there. Alright, what's on fire? But yeah, text stuff. Text objects are on fire. Oh, did... Are we even using player stream? I don't think we were even using player stream, so it's good. Yeah, alright, yeah, because that was the old one. It's no player lookup. Alright, that's good. Alright, so this is all clean. Hi. Going on a walk? Alright, have fun. Alright, legal. Legal? Legal. 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 Screens. Text. Empty. Square. Somewhere someone is here. There. Wonder why my left-right scroll isn't working here. Weird. Oh well. Are text translatable. Import and optimize imports. Alright, good. Block edit screen. Place all. Import. And literal text. Text literal. Place all. Some of y'all are still angry. I love text. Yeah. 119 be like text, yeah. Ooh. Hello, Ira, yeah, I'm going to sleep early, but super cool and cuddling Agonite. Yeah, good night, Ira. Rest well. Thank you for the redeems. So hydrate, posture check, and blob. Hydrate's very important tonight because Adderall. Then, yeah. And Bwops. Where are you? Oh. And empty. What are you? Oh. Alright, so now we've got that, okay. Good. Alright, that looks good. And, okay. Yep. Alright, so yeah, that's a fixed yarn name. Finally. Alright, so... I'm not seeing any other issues there. I'm not seeing any issues there. I'm seeing text issues here. Literal text. Text. Literal. Translate. Text. Text. Translatable. Place all. And optimize imports. Looking good. Render phase accessor. World renderer. The renderer dispatcher. Client accessor. Hyperlink channel. Let me pull up, Alright, let me do this remap real quick. Where's Bob Pope? Yarn class version 1.18.2 yarn class 407 now confirm links. Bah. Good. Now I can that. Okay, that's good. Things that aren't used. Alright, we're good. Box channel, we're good. Text box channel are good. Flow case. Place all. What's the new callback? It is dispatcher access environment. Alright. Import. Optimize. We good? Are we good? Looks like we're legal. Client. Place. Literal text. Literal. Are we good? We look good. I'm not sure if we are good, but one way to find out, yeah. Yeah. One way to find out. Alright, I've hit build. Mr. Good and all, thank you. Now we wait. Starting client, okay, which, this is gonna be up by the wrong. Oh, Tommy, yeah. Jiggle physics good, cutie, aw. Minecraft? Minecraft. Okay, yeah. Registering renderer. Alright, yeah. JGL 331 snapshot. Alright, we've got a window. We have a window. We have Mojang. Load fast. Flow case. Yep. Profile key pair, don't care. Alright. Spawn area. Alright, we're in. Alright, that's looking good. Oh! Oh no, we are... Oh, we are not good. Oh, we are not good. Oh, we are not good. Oh no. There's supposed to be text there. GL invalid operation. Do we get more info? No. Gray object is not active. What? OpenGL errors, object is not active. What am I supposed to do for that? Window manager called the draw method in a and it was ongoing. The non-zero VAO was, or the frame buffer. All right, yeah, I'm looking. All right, textures. Frame pipeline. Vertex share? You know, this is about VAOs, I think. Yeah, this is about VAOs. There's, no VAO bound. So, what's so all right, let me just boy. I might be in over my head here. I might be a little bit over my head here. I'm gonna clear that. This is just, built flower, IntelliJ being lucky. So... on mode, yeah, just all GL state stuff, so... Elements. And, yeah. Right, not active. I think this is something to do with VAOs. Just don't know how. I'm not seeing anything Oh, there. Where's the let me just quickly look through like the stuff that actually does the turn. So, got Vertex Buffer Manager. Yeah, we've got Render Unbaked and Render Region. What do you do? Let me, because this is happening specifically with text blocks. Okay. Right, so here's like our line here. Let me check what this. So, client, render, block, updating locate skull. Hello, WillBL. Yeah, I'm, in OpenGL hell. It's something with vertex array objects, which I'm trying to look into right now, so let's look at this. Sign BER. Isn't all OpenGL hell? Mostly. Ah. Right, so yeah, draw then. So so that's fine. Q is the width, okay. Looking over in here, so I've got, yeah, like, so text render, draw, yep, ordered text, or yeah, then X, Y, then colors and shadow, false, then, matrices, get position metrics, vertex consumers, see-through, false, background color 0, and light, yeah. Was the issue I heard that the VAO isn't bound? Yeah, that's what it sounds like at least. I'm just trying to figure out, where I would need to bind to VAO. Alright, yeah. We're updating any data on the VAO. Well, the issue here is that, until right now, it didn't, until 1.19, it didn't use a VAO, and I haven't changed the code, so I don't know where the VAO gets added, or, I could probably, I don't, like, yeah, one of the main things, I don't actually know where the stuff happens. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, so I have a Vertex consumer provider which gets passed through, so yeah, through render baked. Where does this actually get called? So this gets called here with render baked, okay. What consumer am I getting? So, so that's Agent Builder, which is a VCP, yeah. That is specific to the rendering framework you're using, yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Region Builder, okay. Yeah, alright, so light map stuff, yeah. And I've got a build here. Buffer. Okay, I'm gonna need to, so render, buffer vertex consumer, what do you, so, yeah, so, texture, or if you have any, yeah, you've got color, light, overlay, quad, oh, you're malloching there, ooh. E. Yeah, this just goes through like a buffer. TCP. Alright, so here's the media, buffer builder, yeah. Draw do, buffer layer, yeah. Goes draw, which is here. Layer.draw. Render layer? Yeah, that's render layer, start drawing do. Begin act, render phase, alright, so we've got a lot of, so. I don't know what I'm doing in even the slightest. Dude, yeah, I might ask in Quill. I might ask in Quill, or join VRAM Guild or something. I'm is so the thing array object. No. It is all array objects not active. Let me look if there's anything in Blaze 3D. So there's platform. I'm starting to see why the other people who made tried to make a 119 port pour out the batched or the baked rendering. So Hmm. LWJGL Vertex Buffer Array? Vertex. I think I need to do a bind buffer somewhere? I've got, yeah, I'm gonna... Yeah, so array object is not active. I'm not sure how to actually, and just checking, that is, it doesn't say anything before, nope. Oh wait, I am, wait, before I get that, I get this, yeah, invalid VBO. Invalid VBO pointer usage. So, invalid invalid VBA VBO pointer usage means that my that my vertex buffer object is oh no. What? Alright, so, this will definitely not help. But what if I, so here's what I'm gonna do. I have put a breakpoint on render baked, and I'm gonna see when the log message comes up. Okay, 10 minutes, hold break, till, break, okay. So Minecraft's launching, single player glow case, and as soon as it as soon as given oh my god, is it literally wait Wait, is it literally just calling dot bind? Is it literally just? Buff, bind. Is that it? Is that literally it? If that's it, let me also, so I've got that one there. Is there, let me just check that there's not any other .ends elsewhere, just in case, because I might have to do that. So, yep, that's channel. That one there, none there, none there, none there. If that's it, if I literally just have to... Wait, was there... I think that one should be okay. I'll see. Oh, hey, Com. Sorry for having to deal with my code. Yeah, it is all good. I am, like, I mean, the code works, and apparently, according to Una, I literally just have to put in a bind call. Alright, so... There is one other thing I might want to look into fixing that we noticed while doing BlanketCon, but, we'll see. Alright, so I've got my log up in the background. Alright, the world is loading. Go to 0 advancements. Text block. Oh! Okay. Something is still not working. So, that fixed one of the log things. So, I think what is going on there is... So, it does... So, it does the render unbaked. Where's text fucking? So, it does the render unbaked, and then so it does like one. It renders for a frame, then it stops. Which I'm guessing is it, doing an unbaked, then rendering baked again or something? Validate self, goes to, nope, validate, goes to validate invalid region, and invalid regions. Alright, so inside of render here. I'm going to bed, thanks for being healing off. Thank you, Beastie. Yeah, rest well. And then in render, so we've got invalid regions. rebuilders, rebuilders is you, somewhere? So we've got that, rebuilders, entry builder, visible, alright, does build, entry builder, region builder, calling build, calls render, okay. And that'll call a render baked? Might be something in region buffer.render, or... So... will be, alright, so in render, so it is just vertex buffer. Presumably VBO isn't being bound properly before rendering Mojang. Might have changed what functions do what. Yeah, that goes to, that just does vertex buffer dot draw, buff dot, let me throw bind there? Just in case. I'm gonna just pop a snooze just for this one. After this, I'm gonna see if it, yeah, if, yeah, that's what I'm gonna see. So yeah, because if go through draw, that goes through draw internal. Draw elements. Yeah, let's see if a bind works. On Minecraft, please load fast. I should, what, you know what if I just, lazy DFU, single player, okay, alright. It must have made set shader draw not call bind anymore, yeah. What's not intuitive before that? Alright, so 3, 2, 1. Yay! We're working! And does that still does looking at it from an extreme angle? Oh my, wait, did that also just magically fix the fog thing? Oh my god. That's good news. Okay, yeah. It looks like the fog issue where we're time set day, video, let me, like, if I turn, yeah. Like, the fog issue we were having too on BlanketCon where, like, the fog would draw on in front of it? Or, like, it would get its color messed with the fog is also fixed. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna call that, fixed and up to date. I might wanna, yeah, honestly, I might wanna add more to Glowcase at some point. That might be nice, but yeah, then I can, there, yeah, that works, and up. Wait, is that the screen? Oh, that's the screen crashing! At, yeah, that's a... Whenever that closes out, that's, bring index out of range at util move cursor at, rest? Line 66. Okay, so... That's it. Handle special key. Move. So, I'm getting some index out of bounds at something. Yeah, I'll look at that. It's interesting that, an error in a screen just, makes it close the screen now? Huh. So, handle special key. Selection manager. So this is handle special key. Selection manager delete. Codes again. Yeah. Yeah, this dot delete. That goes through, yep, delete. Character, move cursor. Pair at cursor. Pair at ring. Oh, right, we're doing the patch and, yeah, why is it, wait, is our code not handling for that? I need to go on break, but after that, I think I have found an issue with our delete code. Yeah, I think, yeah, something's going on with the delete code. It should be going through this block, but isn't. It's getting down to handle special key there. So, yeah, I'm gonna go on break, then I'm gonna debug that. So, I will be back in just a bit. And I'm back. Okay. So now, so here's our problem code. So or wait, this just for wait, that's just for going through the row. So this is GLFW keep backspace, and this current row greater than 0, and this text block entity defines size greater than 1, and this selection manager get selection start is 0, and get selection end is selection start. Alright, so that's just for deleting an empty line. So just checking. GLFW key backspace is 259. So handle special key 259, so that's delete offset -1 selection type. That goes to delete offset, which goes through. Right, so then, so yeah, now we're in delete in offset. Then we're at util move cursor. Right, then wait. Alright, so I'm just gonna breakpoint here. I want to see what this string it's thinking of is. Oh, nope. I need to run in debug mode if I want breakpoints to matter. Okay. So here we go. 35 seconds. Oh. Alright, so now over here, I've right-clicked. I'm going to hit delete here, and I am going to hide Minecraft so y'all can take a look at what I'm doing here. Welcome to the debugging experience. So right now, we are at string getter, okay. Yeah, we've got our string getter, okay. And step over that, so now, alright, we've got our string, a bunch of spaces. Then, alright, so, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 spaces, okay. And step, we don't need to check string is empty, okay. So selection end, Alright, so selection start and selection end are the same? Or selection start, selection end are the same, so we're gonna pass this because we're not actually selecting. Alright, so util move cursor, okay. We're going to step into this. Alright, so string length should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright? But our cursor's at 25. Why is our cursor at 25, actually? That's 11 bytes. Why is the cursor at 25? Yeah, delta is -1, yeah. Alright. Yeah, we skip that, so we do... So, for int j equals delta, cursor greater than O is... yeah. Yeah, then, well, the cursor is greater than O and j is less than 0, and we increase, alright, so we step into here, and then, alright, so we step into here, and we've got our string out of bounds. Why is the cursor 25? That is the question. Where are we doing our... do we actually have a handle on this cursor at all? So we've got, So we've got a selection manager. So yeah, we've got that, So yeah, we've got our selection manager. Can I change how this works? It feels like... Yeah, so our selection manager is, does our selection manager have the... so selection manager, what's your CDR? So string getter, setter. Clipboard, getter, and setter, and string. Now... Right, Oh, I've just gotten a notification. Check this. Oh, I've, need to free up some space on my, some point. So... Now here's the question. Where are we setting the cursor? Did they change how the selection manager works, actually? I wish there was a good way to check MC diffs. I wish there was a good way. Alright, let me check something. Does this happen when is this specifically an issue when loading from NBT? let me see. Alright, so... this is... I don't know if they've made any changes to Selection Manager, and I wish I could check. I mean, I could, but there's no good tool for that. So, new test. Another test. And that's working. If I... ah! Aha! Ah! Got ya! Found it! If you click on the line, it doesn't set the... yeah, ha ha! It doesn't set the cursor properly. This. Now, here's the question. I think I should be able to, so now I just need to figure out, so this, move cursor to, this is based on the, so this is just a, right, so yeah, so how do I, can I text, or, so, now, if I can do that, oh, I think I have an idea. Or, so, I can, so what I need to do is, I need to make it actually set the right cursor position. It has not been setting the right cursor position, and that's what's causing the crash. So how do I do that? So I have... what knowledge do I have available to me? So I have the... so, technically, the stuff there is not actually our... so... alright, so... I have our... so we've got our code for where it starts, then... okay, Alright, so it is gonna involve... Alright, I think I have an idea, so I'm going to... int offset... which... this... what was it used? It was switching on this text block and text alignment. Case left. So was I up there? I is the line, okay. So I can just do current line there, okay. No, I just want this width over 10F, okay. Then yeah, that was for left. Yeah, then center is so. Alright, so then center is width over 2F, and then lastly that. Alright, so. Okay, center this width over 2F, and face right. There. Now, I don't need to use those as floats, so... And, oh, how do I actually, this might be a bit expensive, but I don't know a better way to do it? And, it's only client side, and it's only on action, so... And, it's O-N... Oh, but the O factor is actually pretty smooth. I think this is acceptable. Yeah, so... Alright. Yeah, then, string based contents this X block and lines get current row or oh no text. Then int and this text renderer get width. Alright, so I can do a get width. Actually, you know, I'm gonna do it as a string, then for int I equals O, I less than base contents dot length I plus plus string test contents equals base contents substring O I. And int actually before I do this if mouse X less than offset this selection manager, move cursor to start, false. Actually, I don't need that there. Then also I'm gonna do if wait, no, because there's scaling to think about. How do I do scaling? So oh wait, scaling doesn't matter in the GUI because scaling is only on the outside, so yeah, we're good. Yeah, if and int base content width equals this text renderer width base contents if mouse X greater than equal offset, yeah. Greater than base contents width plus offset this selection manager move cursor and then width equals this select or this text renderer get width test contents if mouse X less equal then if mouse X less than or equal to width plus offset this selection manager dot move cursor to I false and break because move cursor to normally yeah without the boolean so there. That should hopefully make things a lot nicer, so let's see. Alright, that's loading. I forgot to put LazyDFU in. You know what? It is literally going to be faster for me to just open up run, mods, and downloads. LazyDFU, just drag that in there, refactor. There. That will literally be faster than, like, to stop and rerun than to fucking compile the data fixers again. LazyDFU or Savior, yeah. See, alright, that was fast. And single player lowercase. Now, if I've done this correctly, which, to be fair, I'm not sure I have, I've decidedly not done this correctly. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Let's, I'm going to stop this and put in some print statements, so... System... Oh, I see what's going on. Else... Else... Boom. So that might be part of it. Then I'm also gonna print out, offset plus offset and system width plus base contents width and system out println mouse x plus mouse x. Right, so I'm also gonna system out ln mouse to left of or wait, wait, I know what's going wrong. It's because I'm oh yeah, no, I know what's going wrong. Because I don't actually have like the right anchor points for stuff, so this would work amazingly for on the left. Yeah, for if it's left aligned, but I'm actually gonna need, oh god, am I gonna need to write different logic for I'm actually gonna need to write different logic for each thing, aren't I? Ooh. Let's do a switch this text block and text alignment face left. Yeah, so I'm gonna have this is gonna be here no matter what. So yeah, int left. Yeah, so int offset equal, yeah, offset is this width over 10 if mouse x less offset friends mouse x left offset less equal. this selection manager, move cursor to start. That does shift down false, okay. Else if mouse X greater than equal offset plus base contents width, this selection manager moved and false. Else, and now I can use this here, so. Alright, so that is now good. Yeah, so that should work on the left one. Now, actually, there's going to be a lot of reuse code, so I think I just need to, actually, yeah, what I need to actually do is, instead of all this, I'm gonna, yeah, so instead of, yeah, so what we need is an int contents start and an int contents end. Then content start, then content end is content start plus base contents width. Right? So now then case center content start equals O and end equals O with a to do, then case right content start equals O, content end equals this width minus this width 10. That's exhaustive. Why are you... Javak! What are you doing? This is exhaustive! And I don't have... this is... Come on... Come on, Javak, you can do better than this. Rust is doing better than you. Default... Row new... How... Are you... Alright, is text alignment is left, center, right? Yeah, that's exhaustive. It's... I don't know it... Yeah, I don't know, what it's thinking, but oh well. Then mouse X greater than... Alright, so there. Now I've got that. Yeah. So, Alright, so now I can do so. contents and minus base contents width? Yeah. Even though this is exhaustive, Javavac won't treat content start and content end as initialized. Maybe it's so enums can be added to compatible. You're not supposed. Yeah, like Catton. I should. Yeah, like Cat. Yeah. Hello. Good to see you. Yeah. Theoretically, but also you should never, ever be allowed to add to enums in normal Java. Why? Who knows? Just throw, because this should be possible. Actually, no, this should be an illegal state exception, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it should theoretically be impossible. So, yeah, yeah, we're gonna do an int midpoint equals this width /2 int x midpoint equals base contents width over 2. I forgot an equals. Then midpoint minus text midpoint and midpoint plus text midpoint. Alright, that should theoretically work. Hopefully. And messenger. Check them while. Oh, new. Oh, new, Lab 39. Ooh, good. Alright. Now, with this new code, I click, 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 click. And no matter where I click, yeah, there is, this is not entirely how I'd want it, but it's, good enough. Is it good enough, actually? Do I feel satisfied with this? Int last width. Oh. So now. So yeah, I'm gonna add one more thing where it will jump, it'll leap to the nearest side. So yeah, width equals width minus last. Actually, no. Wait. Actually, no. I want int midpoint width equals width. So midpoint width is width plus width plus last width 2. Yeah, if x contents start, or let's say I'm -1. With this selection manager, move cursor true. There. And also a break. That should make it just a bit more ergonomic. Also, this is going to be a greater equal. Just for like one more like pixel where it'll short circuit. Alright, so last check on this, then if this works the way I want it to, I will have to check in all 3 alignments. So not quite what I want, so it's not quite doing what I want. Let me check. So right, and on the left, yeah, alright, so it's mostly there. So I just need to I make this so I'm trying to make it so depending on which side of the character you click, it will jump to that side. So if you clicked on the left side of the character, it'll jump to the left, and if you clicked on the right side, it'll jump to the right. And I think so. Let me see. So right, launching. Okay, so now one more time, so... with the exclamation points, it can be kind of tough. So... Let me... Still not quite working, okay. Let me put in some prints to see if I'm actually doing what I want to, so... System... out... and... mouse X... plus... mouse X... system... out... println... contents start plus contents start and system out println test width plus width and system out println last test width. Actually, let's say system out test or contents plus test contents. Then this out. Actually, no, this should be content. I'm gonna actually do the sum there, so yeah, then content start plus alright. And move cursor for character. System out println move cursor after character. Actually, wait, no, I don't want this, I'm just gonna copy paste these for now, just because it's debug that I'm gonna tear out in a bit. Yeah. Actually... yeah. Yeah, let's see. Now, I will be just seeing this in the background. Y'all won't really end up seeing it. Alright. God, it's so nice to have Minecraft launch so fast. Alright, so now everything's set up. Alright, left click. Alright, before character. Whoop whops! Thank you, Berry Love. Alright, so that move before. That said it. Ah! Aha! I had shift down true there. That's why it wasn't working, because it kept trying to do a highlight select. Yeah, highlight select. Highlight select would be a pain in the ass with this built this custom system. So, launch, there. So now, with it actually being done properly. Yeah, alright, this is... Yeah. Okay, this is really nice. So, basically the only, I might look into highlighting at some point, but, Yeah, this, feels really good, actually. Haha. Hooray! Usability, yeah. Can we see? Oh, shit, did I? Have I? I haven't had Minecraft visible for a while. Shit, I'm so sorry. Ah! I forgot that I hit it for, breakpoint analysis stuff. Yeah, no, now it's working. Now I can, do this, and that'll work fine. Yeah, no, all this clicking and such is just... I've got, select... Yeah, I've got the cursor just working a lot better. Yeah, so, it'll actually, click, and it'll, jump to, where you want to click? Yeah. There's this glow case. Yeah, I am, fixing glow case for 119, because Mojang made changes, and also I messed up with stuff previously. Yeah, Yeah, no, this is working great. Oh, I'm over the moon. I really need another, proper setup. It's, I need a more proper, setup for stream at some point with, another monitor. But yeah. I'm happy with how that's going. What I'm gonna do is, do text highlighting at some point. It may be a bit complex, but it... Yeah. Yeah, Alright, yeah, text... I'll say text selection at some point, yeah. Or... multi-character selection at some point, yeah. Do code fragments. I don't think I can actually... Actually, I could, I could actually make, a little... Fine. about that? Yeah. Yeah. And that spun out. And I'm actually not gonna... I'm gonna... Just for like... Just for niceness, yeah. I think it's better to have like a thing for delete line, yeah. There. And with that, update 119. When's it delete line? Delete, it's got a thing for deleting a line when the, yeah, when you're deleting the yeah, when it's an empty line and you hit delete or backspace, yeah. Fix, crash it with, yeah, so update to 119. Did I add an extra line in text block? Did I don't like that. Yeah, just looking through things. Alright, so yeah, that's good. Good. Alright. Just making sure I'm looking. Yeah. Yeah, soft crash with text selection via click. Yeah, with text selection. Yeah. Alright, and boom. Alright, so that's committed. Yeah, and I'm gonna take a break, then after that, we're gonna work on another project for a bit, I think. So yeah, see you in a bit. I'm back, y'all. Hello, hello, and I have pulled up the next project I'm going to be tinkering with tonight. It is still just going through the Gradle import. Almost done. Yeah, This is a thing I've been tinkering with for a little bit now. Yeah. It is titled Cuddly Content. And once it's fully imported and I can show it off to y'all, I think y'all are gonna think it is pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, if I just pull this up, yeah. Let's add a client config. Yeah, so over in the run area, I've got cuddlycontent.kdl. Yeah, you know this, yeah. This is a Huddle file KDL, cat's document language. It is a very, very nice document language to write, read. It is just it's just so good. I've been enjoying it a lot, and I am currently using it to make a mod that lets you create your own blocks and items and everything without any need for code. Like, if you want to have, like, fancier behavior, you'll probably still have to write it through code, but yeah. It is just, like... It's kind of just got everything you want. Like, right now you can, like, make your own custom blocks, you can make, like, slabs or stairs or whatever, you can make custom items, custom tools. Custom armor is one of the things I'm going to work on tonight, but yeah, like, just with all this, like, if I launch the game... Beep, 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 beep. And once this all sets up, I am definitely gonna wanna put Lazy DFU in here. You're gonna, yep, alright, so launching. Now, I will note that nothing nothing in here will have any, alright, let's go to run data prep and such. Alright. Creative, cuddly content. And I've also got to turn off music and such. Alright, so doing stuff, generating. This is gonna take a little bit. Yeah, 38. Yeah, 38 seconds for data fixer optimizations. Yeah, basically it just like lets you create your own little stuff, and it's helpful, and I'm happy with it, so... Alright, almost up. Yeah, then video settings, brightness all the way up, music and sounds, music off. So if I go for here, I've got cuddly content. Oh, I need to hide a stock laying and such, so let me just... I'll make that once I quick. Yeah, like just here we've got like a test block, test lab, a test item. Over here we've got like a tool. It's got like stats and everything. You can only stack the test item up to 16. Yeah, like despite the full block, this is actually a slab. It'll like walk over like a slab. You can make it like double and everything, and yeah. It's just like this is all done without, like, actually having to, like, write Java or JavaScript or anything, which I think is pretty cool. And US, JSON, oh, cancel, Please delete that because I typoed. And US JSON. There. Now, if I go over here, it is item group. And group dot cuddly content dot generated cuddly content. There. Yay! Yeah, now I've got that. I have done a lot of stuff for this so far. Oh boy. Yeah, like I have a lot of stuff. Yeah, if I go over to like I have a lot of stuff. I've got like a full like API and everything. I've got like generators. Like I've got like recipes. I've got like a generator system for like creating blocks and items with like different presets. I've got like full content type system. Yeah. Then I've like right now I've got just a few things, and I've got blocks and items. Because of course that's the basic thing. They've got their whole generator system, which is down here. So like, I've got like, yeah, you've got like your standard block and item. You've got slabs, stairs, you've got like walls. Then you've got standard items. Then pickaxes, axes, shovel, hose, and sword. Yeah. Then so I've got a full system for like making tool materials as well, just because that is gonna be important. So, yeah, yeah, there's some weird things, but yeah, yeah, I've got all this stuff. I've got like, yeah, I've got like this whole system for custom tool materials. I'm gonna need to make one for armor materials next. Yeah. I have like some very cursed stuff, but yeah, yeah. So, like, let me actually, like, show y'all how this all works. So, let me just close all these, and so you've got your cuddlycontent.kdl, which will either be in content, cuddlycontent.kdl in your, like, run, yeah, or in your, like, game directory, or it can come from, content / cuddlycontent.kdl in, like, your resources for a mod jar. Then, yeah, it'll, this shouldn't be necessary because it'll always in content.kdl, because in looking for things specifically named cuddlycontent.kdl, I can just do that there. Just making, alright, I'm going to triple check, did I remember to push all the stuff I've got on this or pulling it over here? Yes, excellent, good. So yeah, now I've got this for everything in, yeah, it just turns it into a big, like, cuddle document. Then for each node, it'll look at the name of it, and I do some curse stuff, yeah, then that goes through to, the registry of content types, which is over here in Cuddly Registries. That will get a content type, which just gets an, which just can, which will just have like method to generate from the node here, which is this whole thing. Then it can have an apply message. Then it'll just go through that generate from. So like, let's say block, that'll go through cuddly content types.block, which is block content type. Generate from here, it'll have a settings node. Yeah, or it'll look for a settings node like this one here. That will go through settings parsing. Yeah, for parse block settings, which will just do its own full material thing, because, you know, or it'll do its whole like block setting stuff. So like every block setting that is feasible to do with without a Turing complete language. So like no collision, non-opaque, slipperiness, velocity multiplier, jump velocity multiplier, sounds, luminance, strength, break instantly, ticks randomly, dynamic bounds, drops nothing, drops like, just drops an ID, whether it's air, if it requires a tool, its matte color, hardness, resistance, and its collidable, and whether it's collidable. Yeah. Then, of course, for item settings, you've got like max count, max damage, its recipe remainder, its rarity, fireproof, an item, whether it's an item group. That reminds me, I need to PR quilt item settings have a self remainder. Item group, it's got food, then it's got equipment slot. Yeah. Yep. Then also it's got like the full food component thing with like status effects and all of that stuff. Like if you look over in here, like you can just set like full status effects and everything. Got all the it's got all the options for it. So like advance of it, duration, amplifier, ambient, show particles, show icon, all of that is like just available to you as a player. Then then I've got this shit. Oh god. This was hell to put together. It's got like a I copied this all by hand. Every single material, every single vanilla sound group, every single map color, all just set up manually because I didn't really have any other option. I am gonna spin this out into different classes, I think. It is sadly not really feasible to create new map colors because you're only allowed to have 64 map colors for some fucking reason. Mojang, what are you doing? Mojang has some weird limitations, but yeah. So I've got tool materials as a thing. Next I need to do armor materials. Then I also want to have like custom block materials. That'd be nice, and custom sound events. And there is one more thing I want to do at some point with tools, is being able to let me check why my mouse isn't doing like scroll left right. It should be Can I customize it, please? Alright, now I've got my left-right scroll back. I don't know why I didn't, but oh well. So yeah, that's basically all I've got over here. Is just all this different stuff for like letting you configure everything just without having to write code yourself, which is nice. I've got an entry point for any libraries that want to just like, or any other mods that want to add compatibility, there's an entry point to make sure that you get in before cuddly content does its stuff. I might end up, yeah. Then also I provide in like the content types and such. Anyone who wants to use them can access these, yeah, the maps of like blocks and items to generate from them. I might add an entry point to run after all of cuddly content stuff is done, so in case people want to do like data gen with it or whatever, that might be nice. But yeah, armor materials. So we're gonna want an armor material content type. Implements content type. Then, alright, so first off, I'm going to, yeah, I'm gonna grab stuff from others so I don't have to write it all the way, but yeah. Yeah, like, we're gonna have, armor material, armor. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I do some weird stuff to like make it work with like either the local namespace or the yeah, I do some weird stuff to make it work with either the local namespace or Minecraft's namespace. I'm just gonna tool armor, just kinda just gonna like copy that over because like that's what it's pre-written for. And I will need a custom armor material. Private static class custom armor material. Implement armor material. And a lot of things this needs. Yeah, durability, texture slot, enchantability. Prepare ingredient, name, and I am gonna have to do, I'm also gonna a public get namespace, then I'll fill that in. So yeah, that's gonna be that's gonna be important for, I'm gonna have to write my first mix in for this, but yeah. How do I actually want to structure? So, I've got like a tool material here. How about, so let me see what I would want an armor material to look. Armor material, test armor material. So, there are a few ways I could structure this. Like the things it needs ultimately, so, durability and protection amount are important, so yeah. Then you've got enchantability, equip sound. Yeah, yeah, so let's do, so you do durability, protection amount, then enchantability 22 or whatever. Equip sound. Yeah, I should definitely make a thing for sound events since those are actually really easy. But yeah, let me pull up like Minecraft over here, like the Minecraft code. So item, then we've got, yeah, so like here's, yeah, the way it does stuff over here is weird. So yeah, the way Vanilla's armor material code works is, so it's got a name, It's got a durability multiplier, which will always be put up against something. Yeah, it's got a durability multiplier, which will yeah, where is that base durability? Yeah, so which will get multiplied by 13, 15, 16, or 11, depending on what equipment slot it is. It's got protection amount just as an array. Then enchantability, equip sound, repair ingredient, and such. It uses a supplier for the repair ingredient, which makes sense. Which, I might actually... I almost... Yeah, I think that actually might be a good thing to do for cuddly contents, like repair materials. I can look into that, but yeah. Then it's got, like, its name, its toughness, knockback, yeah. Yeah, there are a couple options, yeah, that's armor material, second test armor material. So, let's see, so like one option is, durability head equals 300, chest equals 500, legs equals 400, feet equals 100, or whatever. Then protection head equals 3, chest equals 5, legs equals 4, and feet equals 3, or whatever. Then, Minecraft. What are the... Let me check what sound events there actually are, so... Sound events. Loading, item armor yeah, so then there's like Minecraft item armor equip generic or such. Item armor equip generic. Repair ingredient. Cuddly content test item. And I need toughness and knockback, yeah. Toughness. Toughness, let's say 4, knockback, resistance 3. So that's one possibility, is like this. Yeah. Then, gonna copy all this, then tab, then I could have it so durability multiplier, like vanilla armor materials, then like yeah. Yeah, then you've got like durability multiplier, like just let's say 10, but yeah. What are the bases? 13, 15, 16, 11, okay. Yeah. Then protection. Yeah, I think I might, yeah, then I could also do like protection head 3, chest 5, legs 4, feet 3. Yeah, like that's another option of like having it as as children instead of props. I could always just allow both. Yeah, then I think I might just, yeah, I think I might just support like both of these for more options. I think that'd be nice. Right, so yeah. Then yeah, I think having it like that will be good. So I'm just base durability. Yeah, I'm gonna have a equipment slot. Does have an entity slot ID. Okay, so that's how they do the array. So let's say int durability, int protection. I'm just gonna actually I should also have identifier ID, then namespace return ID get namespace, and ID get path. Then I am gonna have to mix in, but I've done that mix in a bunch of times before. Then I think I'm gonna put these up over by protection, so yeah. And float toughness, float knockback resist. I'm gonna say knockback resistance, but yeah. Or yeah, actually no. Yeah. Resistance. Ability slot get entity slot ID and protection slot get entity slot ID. Toughness, knockback resistance, and I need int, which also these should all be private. So I will need this to be public, just because I will need to instance of it. Then enchant ability. Alright, then I need sound event, private sound event, equip sound, private lazy, obedient. Oh boy, Mojang, what did you do this time? Okay, they just have it. Mojang, you don't have to. Where's Lazy? I love finding out about things like this. I'm just gonna use Lazy because that's what they're doing. Yeah. Lazy. Air. Ingredient. Also, these are all gonna be final. And custom armor material identifier ID int durability int protection float toughness float knockback resistance int enchantability. I'll split this onto another line. Sound event, whip sound, lazy, ingredient. And this ID equals ID. This durability, durability. This protection equals protection. This toughness equals toughness. This knockback equals knockback. This enchantability equals enchantability. This equip sound. Equip sound. This air ingredient. Now I just so enchantability, equip sound, air ingredient get. There. Alright. Now I just need to actually write the parser for this. Alright. I'm first going to make a private int parse plots title node. Yeah, this will just right. So int ret equals int 4 turn ret then let me check title helper Yep, I did not see yeah, let's see, so what should I check for? So, if it so optional document child equals child if child is present child op, let's say title document child equals child op dot get and map string title node nodes equals title helper dot map nodes child dot nodes. I should make more PRs to cuddle for JTBH. Then now what have I been doing with map node stuff previously? I've just been doing gets and throws, right? So title node head equals nodes get head equals null. Also rows cuddle parse exception row new parse exception ID no head specify Head values. There's something else. Wait, no. Parse exception, yeah. Still need some, parse exception, yeah. Pedal node. Chest equals nodes get chest. If chest equals null, row do parse exception ID no chest value specified. If pedal node legs equals node get legs. If legs equals null, row new parse exception. No legs value specified. And pedal node. Nodes plural there. Feet equals nodes get feet. If feet equals null, row new parse exception. ID no feet value specified. Then we'll need an else there, so yeah. And ret o equals head get args get o get as number or else o as int value. Ret 1 equals chest get args get o get as number or else o value. Now this is not elegant code at all, but yeah, Cuddle4J really needs a pass to be made more elegant. Ret 2 equals legs args get o get as number o value. And ret 3 equals feet args get o get as number else o dot value there. Then ret o equals node or pedal helper get prop node head o. Ret 1 equals pedal helper get prop node. Would that be like a method to call in the cuddle node objects? Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I would want to have on like the cuddle node object itself. Just like things to make it a lot neater. Ret 2 pedal helper get prop node legs o. Ret 3 equals pedal helper get prop node feet o. There, yeah. Yeah, now I've got this parse slots thing. Alright. Yeah, I also should get the apply message. So alright, so now that I've got that, from here now that I've got that parse slots written, because I'm gonna need it. So while I'm here, check, lazy as well. Oh yeah, you do actually, and You should. Too lazy. There. I don't know why that, yeah, why lazy is deprecated, but oh well. And I am going to grab this, because I will want it. I'll enter optimize there. So I will want this at 1 point, so. Right, then, yeah, I'm basically gonna if nodes contains let's int durability contains key durability multiplier, then pedal node equals nodes get durability multiplier. And here's where I grab the armor materials, base durability, just grab this. There. Int multiplier equals node get args get o, get as number else o, int value, then for I equals o, I less than for I plus plus, or actually how about I durability equals new int but then multiplier times base durability o, 1, 2, 3. They do their oh, they just calculate it there, but like I can't really do that with mine. Else pedal node would get durability node. If node equals null, throw new pedal parse exception, no ID, no durability or durability multiplier divided. Also, that has to be new. Now, I do want to at least finish up this feature, so I might go a bit long for that, but yeah. Alright. Then durability equals our slots ID node. Then pedal node protection equals nodes get protection if node equals null. Protection node. Wow, I cannot type tonight. It's 9 o'clock, so yeah. Throw new parse exception, no. Protection provided. Also, have I been saying? Oh, specified. Then int protection equals parse slots ID protection node. Then after that, I'm gonna collapse that for now. That and that. Then toughness. So kettle node toughness node nodes get toughness if toughness node equals null. Throw new parse exception ID no. Toughness specified. Kettle node. Knock back resistance node equals nodes get knockback resistance if knockback resistance. Actually, let's just say resistance node equals null. Throw new parse exception ID no knockback and a resistance specified. Also, I forgot to say float toughness equals toughness node dot get args get o number else o float value knockback resistance. Then kettle node enchantability node equals nodes get enchantability if enchantability node equals null. Throw new parse exception no enchantability specified. Int enchantability equals enchantability node get args get o get as number else o int value kettle node equip sound node nodes get equip sound if equip sound node my left equal null. Throw new. I forgot to leave ID there. Parse exception ID no equip sound specified. Sound event equip sound equals register sound event dot get to identifier nodes get or node get args or no equip sound node get args get o get a string value. God, that sucks. But yeah. Then after all this, basically I've got down here, so yeah, armor material mat equals custom armor material ID durability protection toughness knockback enchantability equip sound repair ingredient. Then I can cuddly armor materials put ID mat and all armor materials put ID mat. Then lastly, where did I put that static here? I put it under. Alright, so I put it. Alright, so then static, all armor materials put new identifier. And so we've got leather, chainmail, iron, gold, diamond, turtle, netherite. Leather, armor materials, leather, all materials, put new identifier, chainmail, armor materials dot chain, and it is chainmail there, yeah. Then iron, gold, all dot put new identifier, iron, armor materials dot iron, all put all put identifier, gold. Actually, wait. What I could do is for armor material at armor materials dot values. All armor materials put new identifier mat get name mat. Boom! There. I can do that easily here. And where am I? Semicolon there. Alright then, I don't want AL there. Alright, one last thing I've got to do, so I'm going to need a mix in. Or then what's it? It is client, render, entity, feature, armor feature renderer? That's where I have to do this? Yes. Ooh! Brackley, thank you very much for the raid! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome, let me shout you out. Brackley, you were playing FF2, fun, but yeah, So, for those of y'all joining in for the first time, hello, hello, I'm Lemma, I'm a chubby queer robot VTuber who both makes and plays games on stream, and tonight I am, wrapping up with, I'm wrapping up soon, but yeah, I've been doing some Minecraft modding, which has been fun. So, yeah, mix in armor feature render. Alright, so yeah, now we need to mix in armor feature renderer. Alright. Minecraft, yeah. Mix in armor feature renderer class and inject method head. Or no, is get armor texture and at equals at head, cancelable is true, private void inject custom armor textures. Then so then I need this and call back in the identifier. Oh. Illegal? Yes, okay, good. Yeah, now if I armor material that equals item material if at instance of custom armor material custom. Yeah, for those of y'all joining in for the first time, hello, hello, I'm Lemma, I'm a chubby career about VTuber who both makes and plays games on stream. I don't remember if I said that already. I'm gonna say it again anyway, because it's fun. Yeah. Then, thank you for the hydrate, Ari. Now, I do this, and Get return value. Now, now lastly I do, get namespace, plus, boom. And that, will allow, yeah, it's fun to say, got TR on my way, so I was correcting that. But yeah, now that will let people make their own custom armor and such. Now I need to, quickly get a mix in JSON, like, template, just a second. Oh, I've not actually been comment. And, cuddly content mix in JSON. I don't need that. EOF cuddly content. Mix in armor feature render. Good. And gonna snooze one more time because there's one last thing I need to do now that I've got this. Well, I need to public static final content type armor material register armor material content type there. That's good. And lastly, I need a generator, so public static final item generator armor equals register item gen armor ID settings custom config. Then oh no, node equals cuddle helper get child custom config. And material if material node, I mean node equals null throw new parse exception ID ID no armor material specified. Then cuddle node plot node equals cuddle helper get custom config mint slot if slot node equals null throw new parse exception ID no equipment slot specified. Then turn new item or armor item. Actually no, armor material armor equals armor material content type. Material material node get args get o get as string value. Actually wait, no. So what do I need here? So ID then ID. Alright. Then also equipment then string slot name slot node get args get o get as string value equipment slot equals switch slot name case head equipment slot head case test equipment slot, chest, case, legs, equipment slot, legs, case, feet, equipment slot, feet, default, row, new, parse exception, equipment slot, found, ID, then, I need, then you are, what is armor item? So you want material slot settings, okay, then armor slot settings. Boom! Alright, that is done, and I am tired, so I'm gonna wrap up now that I've got that done, so let's head back over. I'll test it out later, but yeah. I've gotten a lot done. It is wild how much you can do when you've got fucking, add armor material support. It is wild how much you can do with Adderall when you've got ADHD, just like the ability to actually focus is very nice. Let's see who to raid, Ooh, Katon's streaming, yeah, we're gonna go over to them. So, yeah, let's, soft robo raid, and let's do some stimmies tonight. I'm feeling happy. Beep, 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 beep. And the raid, Katon. And thank you all so very much for watching, hanging out, joining in. This has been real nice. I've had a bunch of fun. I really like programming, and I'm glad I'm finally able to actually, like, do more of it on stream. But yeah. Actually, wait, Katon's about to wrap up shit. I'm actually gonna go over to, Project Nomad then. Raid Project Nomad. Yeah, same raid phrase. Yeah, thank you all so very much for watching, hanging out, joining in. This has been fun. I am glad with how much work I've gotten done. That was really nice. This is gonna be my last stream of the week, so I'll get out a new schedule as soon as I have that laid out. Thank you all so very much for just joining in and making this real fun. But yeah, when we get over to Nomads, please do not forget to drop them a follow, because they are pretty cool. But yeah, with that, I think I'm gonna wrap up and take a nice rest. So, how about we get this raid started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you soon!